Hey everyone, Shoenice again. Well, basically I'm back to eating stuff really fast. I'm not going to ramble on before my videos anymore on here. I'm getting right to the point. I stream 7 days a week on TikTok, so yeah. I'm going to do 10 slices of American cheese. I took them out of the wrappers. You can do Velveeta or Kraft. You can't use any water. 10 slices. I'm hoping to do it in a minute. Shoenice is back. We'll start out easy. On your mark, game pager. Get that Marge Simpson face. Don't blink either. All right, I'll try not to. She said try not to blink. 10 slices of processed cheese. Shoenice. Time. Time after time. Whew, I'm telling you, when you're building up to beat up everybody in full send, like Sadly Martin, Steve will do it. You come see me in 23, because it's hashtag full shoe around here. You guys a bunch of wimps over there at full send. I said it. Either way. As the esophagus as the esophagus fills up with cheese, it gets harder and harder. I'm glad I didn't decide to do 12. Either way, you guys have a wonderful day. I feel a little cheesy. Yay, yeah.